Today, I'm making something a little unusual. A tofu Scotch pie. The Scotch pie is one of Scotland's most iconic foods. Traditionally, it's a small double-crust meat pie. For generations, these pies have been found in bakeries, football grounds, factories, and family kitchens all across Scotland. For many Scottish football fans, the smell of a hot Scotch pie at half-time is part of the match day experience. On a cold, wet afternoon, standing on the terraces with a pie in one hand and a cup of tea in the other was almost as important as the football itself. But today, we're giving this classic a plant-based makeover. I'm starting with a block of firm tofu. Instead of using pastry, the tofu itself becomes the pie shell. I cut it into the traditional Scotch pie shape, carefully hollowing out the center and saving the scraps for the filling. Even the lid is made from tofu. For the filling, I'm combining the leftover tofu with green lentils and basmati rice to create that hearty texture. Then it's into the pan with coriander, allspice, a touch of ginger, a little nutmeg, garlic powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, Marmite, and what might seem like an unreasonable amount of black pepper, but Scotch pies are meant to be peppery. And there it is, a tofu Scotch pie. A Scottish classic reimagined with simple plant-based ingredients, but still carrying the flavours and spirit of the original. Of course, no Scotch pie would be complete without mushy peas on the side. Whether you're watching football at halftime, remembering home, or just looking for a new way to enjoy tofu, this is my tribute to one of Scotland's greatest comfort foods.